Welcome to my channel. This will be the first video on the long series of trading videos that I will be making for yourself. I know you have been struggling so far with trading, since it's a very risky industry, and if by chance you land on this first video, I suggest you to stick around, because each and every week I'll be releasing more educational video like this one. So let's jump into it. Well, our first video will be about the first fundamental. What do we have here? Why are you here actually? This is a forex trading channel. So before we step into anything deeper, we want you to know about the forex. So the first question is, what is forex? Quite simple. It is a global market that allows one to trade two. What does that mean? Like you can see on the picture portrait over here, you can see there's a pounds in engrenage with the euro, in engrenage with the yen, and so on. And also you can see the US dollar, all of them together. Those are one of the major currency. We will be discussing about that later on in others video, but from now on I just want you guys to know what is the forex market. So technically you have to understand that the forex market is this currency battling against each other. Yeah, so if you see that way, you will be having a better understanding of what we are going to do throughout all this course. So first of all, put in your mind that the trading, the forex market, the forex is currency battling against each other. So that's it. Let's step forward in deeper into what is forex. You realize that it's exchanging the currency that you have into another currency with a certain rate exchange. Let's say, for example, when you're traveling abroad, you reach to another country. Let's say, for example, you go to Japan for holiday, and leaving the US, you're having like $100 in your wallet, and then you reach in Tokyo. You realize that, oh, your $100 now turned to be what, 1,000 yen. Is this change, is that that exchange rate who allow people to make money in the forex market? Later on we will be discussing about this, and I will be telling you how to use that exchange rate to make money. So for now, don't make this too much heavy for you. I don't know whether you are a professional or a beginner, so I want you guys to go with me step by step throughout this. So usually there are many names we can give to the forex exchange market. You can simply call it forex, or you can call it FX. It's up to you, the way you find it more fun. Technically there is no central point for a forex market. Nobody will tell you that a main point of trading is in US, or a main point of trading is in Canada. No, it's actually a decentralized market where all the currency in the world can change hands, trade against each other. So an easy, huge place. You see the statistic, It's around like $6.6 trillion transacting a day. So you can see clearly a picture. This is a very huge industry, guys. I suggest you, if yet you are not into it, or you are looking forward to start, I really advise you to go through it, because it's worth the try. There is a lot of money transacting here per day. This $6.6 trillion are happening each day on the forex market. Can you believe? Each day on the forex market. That's huge, guys. That's huge. Okay, let's see. There are different market. I know if you want to go for the forex market, you have heard about the stock exchange. Yeah, those make a lot of noise compared to the forex. But guys, I want you to see this little scale. You can clearly see the huge peak of the forex market compared to the New York Stock Exchange, compared to the Tokyo Stock Exchange and the London Stock Exchange. They are clearly not even equal to, just, I don't know, I'm not that good at math, so you can clearly see from the picture the difference among all those. So before you think of going to other kind of market, you should know where all the money is per day. If you have good skill of trading, my friend, I'm telling you, you're good to go. Clearly good to go. That's the picture. This is a clear illustration. The first time I saw this picture, I laughed so bad that I couldn't believe, like, this is all the forex market. Can you see this? This is all the forex market compared to what? Other market. They are making a lot of noise, but they are just very small. The volume in the forex market is huge, guys. Is huge, very huge. And beside the fact that the forex market is that huge per day, you can also have that advantage that you can trade from Monday to Friday non-stop, literally without any stop. You can trade from Monday to Friday, guys. It's open 24/7 and 5 days a week, whereby on those other currency they are closing and they are opening back. But here on forex market, we are open from Monday to Friday. Instead to close the market like other market like stock, the forex just shift from one place to another place. I will later on show you a pictures of where of time they're actually taking place. So if you are serious about the trading, I highly suggest you to be taking note as you are going through this course, because you'll find it very helpful later on, just to remind yourself. And trading is a very tricky industry, so you want to have all the tools with you, because in this channel I'm going to drive you step by step until you become a professional trader. So as I said, the market does not really close throughout the week. So from Monday to Friday the market remain open, but what it does is like it shifts from one open market to another. Technically we got like four major market. Who are the four major market? Here you go. The Sydney market usually is the first to open. So I don't know where exactly you're situated in the world actually, right now. So you should keep in mind that the Sydney market is always the first to open on Monday, and then follows by Tokyo some hours later, and then the London, and then the New York market. But as a trader, you will not see that shift in the market, but with more experience, you now notice that the market is tend to be more volatile when the two markets are open simultaneously, like over here and as well over here. So since as we are going throughout this course, I'll be explaining you step by step what to do and how to get advantage of all this information, guys. I suggest you to take note and to see whether to see where you are right now in the world, and to put your clocks on this alignment on the setup technically. Yeah, so I don't know whether I gave a little bit too much information at once, but hopefully I did not confuse you that much. So let's stop by now, not to make it too heavy. So on our next lecture we're gonna talk about Forex market itself. What is it? What are we trading in the Forex market? How massive, what is involved into the Forex market? So in our next lecture we will technically focus on what is involved in the Forex market. So from now, guys, I thank you. If you like this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button, because I'm gonna release more video